Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. So if you're tired of complicated strategies and you want something that is simple yet effective, then you are in the right place, okay? Because in this video, we're just going to be talking about the Rainbow Forex Strategy, okay? The Rainbow Forex Strategy. Now, it's quite a colorful and easy to understand way to trade the Forex market. All right. We're just going to be talking about, how to use a series of moving averages, all color coded to spot trends, reversals, and profitable entry points in this video. Okay. So it's quite a game changer for traders of all levels. All right. Even though it does not guarantee profit. Okay. So I have to make that clear, right? Anyways, let's just jump right into it. Now, what exactly is the Rainbow Forex strategy? In essence, it is actually a strategy that uses a series of moving averages, all right, to help you identify the trend direction and possible entry points. Now, the idea is to color code different moving averages to help you identify the trend direction and possible entry points. Okay, so the idea is quite an effective one. All right, is to color code different moving averages, each of them representing a different time frame or trend indicator. These colors create a rainbow effect. All right, I'm going to be adding the moving averages to the chart shortly. All right, the create a rainbow effect, giving you a clear visual of what is happening in the market. So what makes the Rainbow Forex strategy unique is that it simplifies the way we view market conditions. Instead of juggling multiple indicators, the rainbow of moving averages tells you at a glance whether the market is trending up, down, or moving sideways. And the best part, it is incredibly beginner friendly. So here's how it works. You apply a set of moving averages to your chart. Okay. Now these averages could be, I'm just going to be adding them one by one. All right. I'm going to be starting with the 5-period moving average. All right. I'm just going to use, we're going to be using different colors, right? So the 5-period moving average, and then I'm going to add the 10-period moving average. All right. I'm going to add the 10-period moving average. And then I'm also going to add the 20-period moving average. Right? Each of them should have, different color. Right? And then I'm going to be adding the 50-period moving average. Okay? The 50-period moving average. And then I'm going to be adding the 100-period moving average. Right? The 100-period moving average. And then finally, I'm going to be adding the 200-period moving average. Okay. So as you can see, each of them are plotted with different colors. Okay, so the colors can change from red to green or even the full spectrum depending on your preferences. Actually, you can decide to use the exact spectrum of the rainbow. Okay, now let's talk about how to read the chart. When the shorter term moving average, right, like the 5 and the 10 are above the longer term ones, when they are above the longer term ones, let's just look for a practical example like here. When the 5 and 10 period moving averages are above the 50 and 200, it suggests an uptrend, like we can see what happened here, right? The rainbow turns green, showing that momentum is bullish. Okay, then when the shorter term moving averages cross below the longer term ones, like what we had here, the rainbow shifts. All right, the color changes, or rather, we have a sell momentum. It depends on the color code actually that you decide to use anyways, but you have a sell signal basically. Let me not be mentioning the colors, right? The names of the colors in case you decide to use different colors. Okay, so whenever you have the shorter term moving averages below the longer term, then that is a sell signal, obviously. And then when the moving averages are stacked in a flat, in a flat or overlapping pattern, that is a sign of consolidation or no clear trend. Now, by keeping your eye on the colors of the moving averages, you can quickly identify whether the market is trending or ranging and make better decisions based on that information. Okay. Now, one of the best things about the Rainbow Forex strategy is its ability to spot trends and reversals. Now, let's just take a look at an example, okay? You can see that when the market is in a strong uptrend, like what we had here, right? The shorter moving averages are consistently above the longer ones. Now, this is where you would want to look for buy signals, right? Or in other words, when the price is above the rainbow, right? When the price is above the rainbow, it's like a time to go long. Now, what happens when the market starts to reverse? Watch for the moving averages to start crossing each other, especially the shorter ones crossing below the longer ones. You can see that happened around here, right? So that's when you can start considering sell signals. The market is telling you that momentum is shifting and you should be prepared for a potential downtrend. And you can see that we actually had a downtrend for a while. Now, the key takeaway here is that the Rainbow Forex strategy doesn't just show you the trend. It also helps you to spot the early signs of reversal, which is crucial for managing risk and locking in profits. Okay. Now, let's go over some practical tips that will help you get the most out of the Rainbow Forex strategy. Now, the first is to combine it with other indicators. All right. While the Rainbow strategy is powerful on its own, you can actually decide to combine it with other tools like support and resistance, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and all of that, just to improve your accuracy. And then adjust for your time frame. The Rainbow strategy works on any time frame, whether you're trading on the 5-minute chart or the daily chart. Okay, but be sure to adjust the moving averages to suit the time frame that you are using. Okay, shorter time frames might need faster moving averages, while longer time frames might need slower ones. And then it's also important to look for alignment with overall market sentiment. Use the Rainbow strategy, to in conjunction with your overall market analysis. Okay, so always pay attention to the overall market analysis and then use the Rainbow strategy in conjunction with that. If the moving averages are showing an uptrend, but the market sentiment is bearish, it could be a signal to stay cautious. Okay, so why does the Rainbow Forex strategy work so well? Right? Why does it work so well? The simplicity of it is key, right? So by using multiple time frames and viewing them all at once, the strategy gives you a clear picture of what is happening in the market without overwhelming you with data. It helps filter out noise and gives you easy to spot signals, right? Plus, it's based on tried and true principles of trend following, which have stood the test of time. So there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful strategy that makes Forex trading more easily accessible and visually intuitive. The Rainbow Forex strategy is quite a great way to help you identify trends, spot reversals, and make more confident trading decisions. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips, strategies, and Forex insights. And I would love to hear from you. Have you tried the Rainbow Forex strategy in your trading? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and as always, happy trading. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.